Hey everyone! In this video, I'm giving you a quick and honest review of Glitching AI, a dropshipping tool that claims to run your store almost completely on autopilot. Let's break down the features, the results, and whether it's actually worth your time in 2025. So what is Glitching AI? It's an all-in-one platform that uses AI to help you build and manage your dropshipping store. From picking trending products to writing descriptions and even handling customer support. It's aiming to be a full-service solution for busy entrepreneurs. Setup is super fast. I had a complete store built in under 20 minutes. It picked products, wrote ad copy, and even generated a brand name. Honestly, the automation is impressive. But how well does it actually work? For me, performance was decent. My store started getting traffic quickly, and I even made a few sales within the first week. That said, product selection can feel a little random at times, and not everything sells. You'll still need to test different offers and tweak your ads for best results. There are some downsides. The platform isn't perfect. There were occasional sync issues with orders, and support can be slow during peak hours. Also, the pricing is on the higher end once the free trial ends, so it's something to consider if you're just starting out. So, is Glitching AI worth it? If you're serious about building a hands-off dropshipping store and don't mind paying for convenience, it's a solid option. Just don't expect to get rich overnight. It still takes effort and testing. If this review helped you out, go ahead and tap that super thanks button and don't forget to subscribe for more real talk reviews. See you in the next one.